Shoulder rehabilitation needs to evolve. For many active and athletic people who have got long-standing shoulder problems, a significant loss of function, or who are trying to return to sport after surgery, standard rehab might not be enough. Often people that we've worked with have previously tried multiple attempts at rehab which haven't worked out as they would have hoped. The problem is that rehabilitation is typically prescribed. You go to see someone for 30 minutes, they give you 3 exercises and tell you to come back in a couple of weeks. You're then left to your own devices with only a very basic plan to follow and no support should things not go as planned. However, in every other arena, we know that a coaching-based approach yields far greater results. Coached Rehab includes all the standard features of physiotherapy, and not only does it include that thorough detailed assessment by an experienced practitioner, we take things a level further and integrate the latest thinking and scientific practice into everything that we do. Shoulder rehab outcomes can be magnified and accelerated with an accurate assessment which is reinforced with the technological input to provide objective markers on which we can better define the root cause of the problem. That feeds a strategic, structured, progressive and periodized training program through which you can then be coached and guided to navigate any bumps in the road. Having input from an integrated team of physiotherapy and strength and conditioning coaches means that training builds over time to reduce pain, restore range of motion, enhance strength, speed, power, and most importantly, confidence. Finally, when this is all delivered by experienced practitioners who have got personal experience of what you want to do, but also know how to fully prepare you for the demands of the sport or activity that you want to return to, that creates a very powerful environment that will maximize the opportunity for success. Our Coached Rehab Programme can be delivered using a hybrid in-person and remote approach, or it can be done entirely online, meaning that geography doesn't need to stand in the way of you accessing the support from experts that you need. We have now delivered successful Coached Rehab results across the globe, so if you'd like to find more about what we do, how it works, you can book in a free call with us today and talk about your specific situation so that we can create a roadmap for you.